During today's presentation, we're going to focus on the importance of mobile and multi-screen branding in today's digital marketing ecosystem. Gragg Advertising published the Mobile Playbook, and we're going to go over some highlights of the content in the playbook. In today's media landscape, 90% of all media interactions are screen-based. We're seeing an explosion of multiple device usage that will continue to change the face of branding. Consequently, it's also redefined the importance that we place on traditional media. Media consumption in the digital world is split among PCs, smartphones, tablets, and TV, which present opportunities to brand strategically once you understand how an audience engages each one uniquely. In the chart here, you are seeing the importance of the multi-screen world and usage and consumption times in those different devices. The revolution isn't about the technology advancements. It is about the power of consumers to choose and define the world, the media, and their own interactions and communications. They expect more from brands. That's a quote from Bob Jeffrey that was published in Adweek. Understanding the role of devices in our lives. PCs keep us productive and informed. 24% of our daily media interactions occur on a PC. Usage characteristics for those on a PC typically are defined by folks using their PCs primarily for office or home use, and they're doing productive, task-oriented things such as conducting serious research. And that chart shows you how much of PC use is done in the home and out of the home. Conversely, smartphones keep us connected. 38% of our daily media interactions occur on a smartphone. Smartphone use is motivated by communications and entertainment. We see 54% are using it via communication, 33% are using it for entertainment. Conversely, to our chart on the previous slide with PC usage, 69% of that being at the home, 60% of smartphone usage happens at home, and 40% of it happens outside of the home. Usage characteristics for smartphones include using it on the go, while users need information quickly and efficiently, and users are motivated by communication and entertainment as well. Now we talk about tablets. Tablets are also used primarily as an entertainment device, with 63% using tablets for entertainment, 32% using it for communication. 80% of tablet use is conducted in the home, while 21% of it is conducted outside of the home. 9% of our daily interactions occur on a tablet. So a much smaller piece than we see from PCs and smartphones, but this is also a growing number as tablet penetration increases throughout market share. Usage characteristics for tablets include primarily used at the home, as we said, used for entertainment and browsing, and users take a relaxed and leisurely approach while on their tablet. The point here is that television no longer commands our full attention in this multi-screen world. Here we see that 77% of the time that viewers watch on TV is being conducted while they are using other devices. 49% on a smartphone, 34% on a PC or laptop. So we know that while the penetration of multi-screens has conducted a much larger share through the time, but it's also a shared time as well. Specifically, while TV viewing is being done, folks are often multitasking via one of their preferred devices, smartphone or tablet. Similarly, with a television consumer, they're searching for things they see on TV. So they see a commercial, a program, they're interested in the character that's on the show that they're watching. They can do a search and refresh where they saw that character previously or that actor. Users still use TV primarily for entertainment purposes. So what does this mean for us in the mobile world and customer acquisition, direct response marketing? It's important to understand the modes of the multi-screen users. There's two modes we've classified of the multi-screen user. You have a sequential user moving from one device to another at different times to accomplish a task. And then you have the simultaneous usage. This is a user, as we mentioned in the previous example, that is using more than one device at the same time for either a related or unrelated activity. So the multi-screen world has opened up new usage habits that media consumers have adopted over time. These habits continue to change more and more as technology improves and devices become interrelated. Because of these changes, we now observe multi-screen users engaging devices in sequential and simultaneous modes. The usage patterns show how to best present your brand based on the purpose and methods behind a multi-screen user's activities. Sequential usage certainly is something that we're seeing more and more on as folks transition from that in-home, out-of-home, at work, at home, in-car, at-home scenarios. So how do we, what should we understand about sequential usage? Consumers move between multiple devices to accomplish their goals. So again, if we think about 90% of people using multiple screens sequentially, and if you think about some scenarios, they're browsing the internet, they're shopping online, managing their finances, planning a trip. These sorts of things you can envision starting in at the work computer, the laptop, going on through the mobile device, and then going back and forth as well. And as Google Chrome and other browsers have the syncing ability to follow those habits, it's making that much more easier as well. So sequential multi-screen usage occurs when a task is completed over time across more than one device. 90% of multi-screen users sequentially accomplish a task over time. How they start their search and how they jump between devices can reveal a lot about their end goal. Smartphones are the most common starting places for online activities. Popular tasks include conducting searches, browsing the internet, and shopping online. PCs are most often a starting point for more complex activities. For many users, PCs are used for managing finances or watching a video. Many times these tasks are conducted on a smartphone or a tablet. Shopping and trip planning often begin on a tablet. From there, most users will continue this task on a smartphone and finally on a PC. Search and browsing are also among the popular tasks people use tablets for as well. Now we talk about simultaneous usage. On average, consumers use 3 different screen combinations daily, with smartphones acting as the most frequent companion during simultaneous usage. This simultaneous usage has redefined television. 77% of television viewing is being done with another device at the same time in a typical day. The rise of simultaneous usage has furthered our understanding of how activities relate among and between devices. In the end, your brand will benefit by taking advantage of critical moments in a user's life. Some key insights into simultaneous usage include emailing, browsing, and social networking are among the most performed activities during simultaneous usage. So again, if we think about that person watching television, they're likely might be on Facebook and Twitter and other social media channels. Most consumers who simultaneously use devices are juggling different activities at the same time. 78% of simultaneous usage is multitasking between different projects. Popular pairings include PCs with smartphones and TVs with PCs. Success stories in multi-screen branding. We have a few case examples here that we wanted to call out. One is Tom's Shoes. Tom's Shoes was looking to spread the word about their One Day Without Shoes event and targeted demographic for young adults 18 to 34 years old. They developed a multi-screen campaign through PC, mobile phone, and TV, and the activity spanned 4 countries. Nearly 80% of viewers went online and walked into a store to buy Tom's Shoes. Aided awareness by number of screen views. 1 screen was 55%, 2 screens was 77%, and 3 screens represented 96%. There was also a Fortune 100 brand in the food industry that reinvented a product and was looking for ways to increase favorable opinions among their target demographic of women 25 to 49 with young children. The targeted moms on smartphones from 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. when they were most active on the device. They displayed online video and banner ads throughout the day. The combined mobile and online video campaign generated a 22% lift in favorability. The device variation campaign generated a smartphone interaction rate 48% higher than the industry norm. And the last example that we have is a home insurance company that generated a series of mobile and online display ads that ran simultaneously to promote brand awareness. Awareness increased 50% among those who had seen the mobile ad, and then increased to 114% when consumers were exposed to both online and mobile ads. And there's the chart showing that as well. So, you've had all this information, and now you want to discover the secrets of mobile marketing in 2014. Well, you're in luck. You can sign up for a free copy of the Gragg Mobile Playbook today. Go to the website listed here, and you'll be able to download the free copy today. Some of the highlights include multi-screen branding, mobile social media, mobile click-to-call, two-way texting, mobile TV and radio, and mobile applications. Thank you for joining us.